When you burn solid fuels such as wood, coal, or pellets in your wood stove or fireplace, you're left with ashes that at some point you'll need to remove. Small bits of hot coals are almost always mixed and buried in fireplace ash. These hot coals and embers are hidden dangers and must be handled appropriately. Can your ashes. That's the message that the Fairfax County Fire and Rescue Department wants you to remember when disposing of ashes from your fireplace. Hot coal and ashes can burn up to 72 hours after a fire's gone out, which is why it's so important to follow these guidelines from the Fairfax County Fire and Rescue Department.
So the Fairfax County Fire and Rescue Department wants you to remember to can your ashes. So first thing you do, you need to make sure you get yourself a metal bucket. You can get one from the hardware store, Lowe's, Home Depot, whatever it is. Make sure you have the appropriate tools as well. We have a little shovel on this area, and what you want to do is you want to make sure you open up your bucket, grab the ashes from inside, dump them into the bucket, and get as much ashes as you can, clear completely out, and then grab a glass of water and then dump it around and make sure you wet them down. Once you do that, you grab the lid, put the lid on top of, and then you take it outside.
Make sure that lid is on before you take it outside so that ash doesn't blow indoors and possibly catch something on fire. Walk the ashes outside at least 15 feet from your home until they're completely cooled. What do you do with all of those ashes once they've cooled? According to the Virginia Cooperative Extension Agency, fireplace ash is good for composting. For information on fireplace and home heating safety, visit the Fairfax Fire and Rescue Department's webpage.